So now we're going to cover the subject of water. The most important place to have water is in your body. You don't need to have water in your canteen. You need to drink water when you have it. Drink it when you're thirsty, and drink it even when you're not thirsty, just to keep your body hydrated. Once you start losing your mental capacity, you're going to lose your ability to even think about where you can find water. Best way to keep water in your body is shade, and deep shade. Rest and stay cool. Only move in the cooler parts of the evening and at night and early in the morning.
I want to show you guys something. This is our Commando knife, inspired by the Vietnam SOG knife. Whether it's for hunting, camping, or emergency survival, this knife is built to handle it all. And talking about the handle, look at this bad boy. We got the stars and stripes on the handle for America. We got a glass breaker for any rescue situations you might be in, a durable 6.875 blade. It's the only knife you'll ever need once you get your hand on this bad boy. And guess what? This knife is free just for watching this video. All you have to do is cover the shipping by clicking in the link in the description, but we're only giving away 200 of these Commando knives. It's backed by a 1-year satisfaction guaranteed, so get to the link in the description and get yours now. Hurry up and get this bad boy. Oi, back to the video.
When you get to a point where you have very little water and you're starting to really severely hydrate, your tongue will become swollen, it will become hard and feel like just like a piece of skin. Your lips will chap and a film will cover them over. You'll become irritable and clothes will feel like burlap sacks when you're walking around, and you'll be very uncomfortable. It's very painful to be severely dehydrated. You don't want to go there. Find deep shade, north side of a tree, north side of a rock, a trench, or an embankment, even a ravine if you're fairly sure it's not going to end up being filled during a flash flood. Other side of your car, under your car. Use any kind of covering you have. Anything that keeps you warm will also keep you cool. Your sleeping bag, a wool blanket. All these things will give you deep shade. You wear a bandana if you have around your neck. Your own sweat will keep it moist and keep you cool. It'll also keep your blood going through your brain cool.